guys, happy Friday. I'm so glad that we get to celebrate what Jesus has done for us today. And with that, I am bringing to you guys a cool kind of craft, kind of snack that you guys can do at home. And even if you don't have the stuff, you can go out and get it and do it next week. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be making edible nests today. Now let me just tell you about my ingredients. I have Rice Krispie treats. I have marshmallows, robin eggs, jelly beans, and over here, I forgot about my sprinkles as well. Alright, so I got all these cool ingredients, and we're going to see what kind of nest that you might want to do at home, alright? So, the first thing we have to do if we're cooking anything is what? I got a sink here, what should I do? That's right, we got to wash my hands. So let me get some soap on my hands, rub them really good, and then I'm going to wash my hands. All right, did you wash your hands? Check, wash my hands. My hands are clean. All right, next, I'm going to start measuring my ingredients. Now we're going to do two different kinds, so I have two bowls here, so you can watch as I put the different things in there. So first I'm going to do the Rice Krispies. I have 1 cup here. I'm going to fill it up with Rice Krispie treats. All the way up. Pour it in. And then I'm going to do the next one. All the way up. Good. Pour it in. And the same with the marshmallows. Alright, friends? So get these marshmallows out. It's okay if you do a little extra marshmallows. Just put your cup over the bowl in case they fall in. Alright, and then pour it in. Good. And the same for the other side. Cup. Alright, and pour it in. There we go. Now, the next thing we do is use our microwave. This is my microwave, alright? So I'm going to put both these bowls in for 30 seconds. Here we go. Open it up. And I just have to press start, and my microwave does 30 seconds. Now, while the 30 seconds is going, maybe you can listen to a song, sing a song about Jesus that you have learned, or you can even look in your microwave and watch the marshmallows get larger as they get hot. It's kind of cool to watch, especially if you're doing one bowl at a time. Sometimes they get really, really big, all right? Now, oh, wow, I forgot a spoon. Let me go get that really quick. I'll be right back. You guys count with the microwave, please. Oh, there it goes. All right, I'm back, and I got my spoon. Here we go. I'm going to open that up. Now, on one of these marshmallow bowls, I'm going to put my sprinkles, all right? So let me close the microwave. Open up those sprinkles. Pour it on top of this one. And I'm going to do the other side so I can get a lot of sprinkles. Oh, yes, that is wonderful. Now, first I'm going to stir up the one with no sprinkles. So all I'm going to do, the marshmallows are hot, is start stirring it up. You can use your hands, but your hands would get really, really sticky. And they might get hot because the marshmallows are hot. So I'm just going to keep stirring that up, all right? And then I'm going to show you, because I got some parchment paper out. And this is actually going to go in my refrigerator, all right? So what I'm going to do is get my piece of parchment paper right here. Kind of looks like this. And I'm going to scoop that on there. Whoa, look at that. Ooh, I'm going to let it drop on there, okay? And I'm going to make sure I spoon everything out as much as I can, all right? Spoon it out. Let it drop on there. All right, and when you're done with that, you'll have your paper like this. And I want you just to kind of roll it up a little bit and set it in your fridge for 5 to 10 minutes, all right? So that one needs to go in the fridge. But let's do our other one with the sprinkles. So exciting. So now we're going to stir this one up. It has sprinkles in it, remember? So we're going to stir it up, and you can see all the different colors of the sprinkles. Wow, how cool is that? I'm going to just keep stirring that up. Wow, that looks amazing. Look at that. It's so colorful. Wow. Okay. And then let me get my paper again. All right, I'm going to put it down here and watch. We're going to scoop it out like this. It's going to go right onto there. Ooh. Good job, friends. All right. Now I got that on there. Right? And so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. You can make a little circle around it and go ahead and put those in your fridge. 5 to 10 minutes. Because if you start playing with them right now, they're not going to make a nest because it's going to get really sticky, really yucky and sticky. So those will go in your refrigerator. Now, lucky for you, I already refrigerated some, so I can go ahead and show you those nests, all right? So the first one I'm going to get is the plain one, all right? So if you want, you can leave it on the paper, which is what I'm going to do. Or you can take it off if you want to like this and do it. But if you hold it in your one hand, and with the other hand, you can kind of push down in the middle. I'm going to use both hands. That's why I like to leave it on the paper. I can hold the paper too. And then I'm just going to push down in the middle and kind of make a circle with a little hole in the middle. And it might take a while, you know. You don't have to be fast at this. Just play with it. It's kind of like fun, like gooey stuff. And you get to play with it and make a little circle. But what's fun is because our hands are clean, we get to eat this later. That is going to be so much fun and yummy. All right, so there is my first nest. Now in my first nest, I'm going to do jelly beans. You can do whatever you want. You can even get like chocolate chips or different things that you like, granola or something that you like, and put it in the nest. But I brought jelly beans today, so I'm going to put my jelly beans right in there. They look like little eggs. You can see them. That's a lot of eggs that I put, but there's little eggs in there. You don't have to put a lot. You can just put like 3 or 4 if you want. But there's the first nest, all right? And now what I'm going to do is actually refrigerate this as well, because then whenever it gets a little bit harder in the refrigerator, it tastes so good when you munch on it, all right? Because it's still a little bit sticky, all right? So there's the first one. Now the next one was the rainbow one. Look how cool it came out. It has all the sprinkles in it, so it looks really like a rainbow, all right? Now this one, I already got started a little bit, but we're going to go ahead again and push our fingers in there and spread it out. This one was a little bit of a larger batch, so then it made a little bit bigger of a nest, right? And the other thing I brought for my nest eggs were robin eggs. So I'm going to put some robin eggs in there, all right, friends? Do just a couple in there. All right, so like if you just did like 3 or 4, ooh, then look how cool that looks. You have your own little nest, and you get to eat it later when your mommies or daddies let you, all right? So again, we want to put that in the fridge. Make sure it gets nice and yummy for us, and then we can eat it later. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today, and make sure that you try this at home, all right? Have a good day. I hope you guys have a great Easter break, and remember that Jesus is the reason for the season, friends. Bye.